Psalm 32 verse 4. Say, day and night, the hand of God is heavy on me. Psalm 36 verse 9. David said, for with thee, O Lord, is the fountain of life. In the light shall I see life. Everyone must understand. Nothing warrants divine restoration until something is missing. If you study Joel 2 verse 3, the Lord said to Joel, he said, tell them to tell their children, to tell their children, to tell another generation. That verse 4, that which the cankerworm has left, he said the palmer have eaten. That which the palmer has left, the caterpillar have what eaten. That which the caterpillar has left, the locust has what eaten. The place we read, the Bible makes us understand clearly. He said this woman has left the land. Everything about her was gone. Everything was taken from her. Even her household, her properties, her land, even the fruit of the ground was taken from her. Why? Because a word came by a man of God called Elijah, and he said to her, take all that you have, because in the next 7 years famine is about to storm the land. He went to the place called Philistine. I began to ask the Lord, why Philistine? There are better places you can go. And the Lord said, that is the place you need to be for the land. There are many of us Christians today who are saying, man of God, I don't understand. This is another year I just come. Yet this, ladies and gentlemen, you must understand this carefully. For one to be restored, there must be something missing in your life. Something missing. She went there. She stayed there for 7 years. After 7 years, she remembered the word. There is something God has just laid my heart. As I was driving down, the Lord said I should announce to 14 of us. I don't know where you have been for the past 7 years. I don't know what they have taken from me for the past 7 years. But the Lord said I should tell you, as my eyeballs are open looking at you this morning, in the next 3 hours, in the next 42 hours, wherever you are, what the enemy have taken from you shall be restored. Amen. Hey, I prophesy by the power of the Holy Ghost, by the strength of grace, as you are hearing my son this morning. I don't know the land you have been into. Maybe the land of scarcity, maybe the land of dryness. It has been 7 years. White son, it has been 14 years. White son, it has been 10 years. White son, it has been 3 years. White son, it has been 2 years. But the Lord said I should announce to you, as you have come to this year, is the year of divine restoration. Wherever you are, hearing my son this morning, anything you have taken, anything they took from you, whatever you have lost for the past 3 years, for the past 5 years, as God hear your amen, it shall be restored. 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 If you are here, shout restoration. Follow me now. Follow me now.